Okay, today in cooking we're going to make quick and easy lasagna. We need some carrots, which I already cut up, mince, I got 2 packs, Oop. An onion, any onion will do, mushrooms, red sauce, I'm using bolognese sauce, and yes, I'm bad at ripping off labels. Lasagna sheets obviously, and cheese sauce. And let's get started. Okay, now we get the onions. I'm going to use 2 onions and just cut it up like this. And then you get the onion and you just peel it until you have something that kind of looks like this. And as you can see, I've cut them and skinned them off. We just get a knife and just carefully, me say careful, doesn't go. Cut it in half. And I just do it this way. Yeah, I'm not professional. Ooh. No, I'm not crying. These onions, they make me cry. Okay, now that the onions are cut up, time to put them in the pot. Okay, get your pan and add some oil. I think that's a bit too much. And then add your onions. All you gotta do is wait for the onions to start to cook a bit before adding the mince. Yeah, now that the onions are cooking, time to add in the mince. You just make sure you reduce the heat down a little bit. Now mince is in, now you've got to let it cook till it's brown, and then you can add your carrots and all that. I can't speak. Hey, now that mince is in, we can brown it out now. You know the mince is cooked when it's all brown. While the mince is cooking, you get your mushrooms. They're optional, you can put mushrooms in, but I like mushrooms in. And you cut off the stalk at the bottom. Ooh, did it properly. And then let's get the knife and just cut it like that. That's how I do methods, okay? You don't have to copy everything I do, but it gives you a general idea. And you go. Now that you have the mushrooms all chopped up, it's time to put in the carrots. As you can see, the mince is turning brown, means it's cooked. And just add in carrots. And just give it a little stir. It's kind of hard to stir with one hand and one hand in the phone. Okay, while the mince and carrots are cooking, get your cheese sauce. Put it up in a baking dish. And just spread it out. And just do the first bit of the base. Yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to boil by adding some water in it, but all you do is add in the mushrooms. Whoa, steamy, steamy. And you give it a stir. Yeah, what I can't do because I've got a hand in the phone. A hand in the phone? I've got my phone in my hand. Yeah, you get the idea. Okay, now we've started in the mushrooms. Add in the sauce. Sounds delightful. And then you give it a stir. And once you've stirred it in, leave it for about 3 minutes. Okay, now when you've got this, the lasagna sauce out and ready, get one of these tap spoons. You can use any tap spoon. Just go in and put it in. And just spread it out a bit. And you just put it in like this. And just spread it about. See if you can put cheese sauce in if you like. If not, it's fine. I'm running out. I know I should have got some more earlier when I was in the shops. But hey ho, I thought I had enough. You can put cheese on top. I've run out of cheddar, so I'm using mozzarella. And then it's all set for the oven, which I have at 200 degrees. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I'm not good at that. And that's what I forgot to say. Preheat the oven when you do this. I forgot to say. Okay, now it's in the oven. Just got to wait about 20 to 30 minutes. Hopefully it should be done. Yeah, I'm not professional at doing this. This is how I do my things. And plus, it's quite handy because what you've got left over, you can put in plastic containers and you can store them in the freezer and use them for other times. And it's really good for saving money. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, let's see when it comes out. You get your knife. Just cut down the middle. Yeah, and just cut into sections. Yeah, this is failing. Yeah, as you can see. Yep. So that's for today's cooking video. Quick and easy lasagna. Yeah, and I underestimated the pasta sheets. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'm open to some new ideas to cook different things. You don't want to sell it that way. Camera's this way. So, have a good evening.